prepare yourself for the literature exam. You ask and I answer. Organize a list of the literature pieces that you are going to be tested on according to the chapters that you will get in the exam. Number 2, it is very important to read the whole text in which you will be tested and not to be satisfied with only the analysis part. It's important to get familiar with the plots in small details and track the events, the order of the events in the story. Number 3, you should spread out the learning of the material according to the number of days you have until the test. Number 4, start studying first the material you are familiar with and then carry on with the material you are less familiar with. Number 5, go through the concept and the literary characteristics. It's very important, don't forget. That's it, goodbye and good luck.